Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. Landlords, we are on Umkhokha The Curse, and let me start ngoZoto. Guys, uZoto has been looking for isikhwama ngaphansi kwamatafule, ngaphansi kwa everything. Girl is not finding isikhwama, and isipoki siyampokela straight. Isipoki sithi you must find isikhwama. Fine, no problem. Akasitholi isikhwama and ayikho into esomphikisa. But what he does is he asks uMaMzobe. Like uMaMzobe said, I do not know where this kwama is. I don't know. I don't stay there. Into nesikhwama phakathi angiyazi. Hey. And I was like, all right. uMaMzobe continues to lie while a person's life is at stake. All right. Moving to Phakathwayo. Phakathwayo goes and confronts Umkhokha and say, Umkhokha, take me now. Umkhokha, I am ready. And Umkhokha said, no, I don't want to. Umkhokha, take me now. Umkhokha, I am ready. Umkhokha said, no, I do not want you. This is what's happening, guys. Phakathwayo wants to sacrifice his life, but he's not the chosen one. With that said, because he can see Uguti, no, things are not happening as per my thoughts. Now he goes back home. When he gets home, MaBusi is super excited. MaBusi is happy. Buza ukuthi why uMaBusi ajabulile. Umntwana uwisile, now they can finally go back home. Ka Mvelasi. Going back home then means ukuthi Umkhokha can follow them anyway. But I mean, I ask myself, ukuthi, how does Umkhokha follow them there, knowing and understanding that laphana kunqwele kunjani. But nonetheless, they went back home. Khulekani was very happy to see uNomkhosi. Khulekani was over the moon. Like, you could see that Khulekani really missed umfazi wakhe. uManzemande tried everything, guys. The room was clean. Even women came to pray. Like, uManzemande became a proper mamazala and made sure that her grandson rather is coming to a secure and protected place in prayer and in every single way, right? But this does not mean Umkhokha has left, because the new prophet on the block is saying, lo uzange danger enye egevaarlik, kotsi engwe emasisi blind. But let us keep on watching, and let us hope ukuthi uMaMzobe uzoba nenembeza. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.